I'm waiting for Faiza Salim to come. Were you guys on her page right now? Hello? I can't stop eating. Okay, why have like 50 people sent me like requests? अब मैं कैसे उसे ढूंढूं? There's like 10,000. Stop sending me friend requests. I want to like talk to Faiza. Oh my god, that's annoying. I don't know how to do this. उसे कहाँ से ढूंढूं? Please stop sending me friend requests. I really want to speak with Faiza. Please. I don't want to talk to anybody else right now. I'm waiting for her. Please, please stop sending me friend requests. Please. This is so annoying. Oh, there she is. Okay.
I hope, oh my goodness, I can't believe, yes!
It worked.
Thank God. Although now I think it's going to be really weird for me to host this, but I will still do it because Instagram ने इतना embarrass करवाया है. ये होता है like 15-20 minutes सबके साथ कुछ ना कुछ problem आती है कि वो नजर नहीं आ रहे होते हैं. There's a lag, बहुत problem होती है. So Ushna, that's your snack, and then what are you having for dinner tonight?
I had dinner.
You had dinner.
I had a gluten-free naan and a tikka.
Acha, I saw pictures. You actually had that naan. I was wondering if
I had the naan. Yeah, they sent it to me. It was so good.
Really?
It was like sheer
It was like sheermal.
The texture was very sheer.
A little bit meetha then.
Yeah. My lips look so pale. Let me put some tint on.
Okay.
इसी पे लगा लेते हैं. अच्छा हाँ, go on.
अच्छा, so tell me, lockdown कराची में गुजर रहा है, किसके साथ गुजर रहा है और कैसा गुजर रहा है? How are you taking care of your mental and physical health?
Yeah, my family is in Lahore. And I have my place here, but usually when I'm not working, I go there or I'm abroad somewhere. And this time around, like I can't really go anywhere. I'm like stuck. So it's not bad, but I've never been alone for this long by myself, like with my staff and just my dogs. So it's nice. Like I'm very active. Like I go on bike rides, I go on walks. I'm like.
So do you feel Karachi का culture थोड़ा change हो रहा है? Because
Yeah. Like people, like जिन लोगों को मैंने जिंदगी में कभी दिन के वक्त नहीं देखा था, मैं उनको देख रही हूँ. And it's like, तुम सूरज में ऐसे लगते हो. Wow. Like people on the street. And you know what I saw? Okay, so near my house, you know that big Emirati palace, that big palace?
Yeah.
Backside. So there, these kids have put like, मुसल्ले नहीं होते, I don't know उनको क्या कहते हैं उर्दू इंग्लिश में, पंजाबी मुसल्ले कहते हैं, I don't know. They're like little sheets that you put on the floor. उस पे बैठ के like बच्चे video games, like little, and they're like chilling by the side of the road, like next to that palace, just on the street, and people are cycling by, and people are like walking their dogs, and these kids are playing video games and like Ludo and like chilling, and it's like amazing.
Yeah, and you see so many kids and women on the streets, which is, I mean, rare for Karachi.
Yeah, girls biking by themselves. It's amazing.
Yeah. Although,
what are you doing?
I've heard a few horror stories. I'm just doing the same thing that I would have wanted to do otherwise also अगर हम lockdown में नहीं भी होते, which was to focus on my health this year. So walk. I'm going for a walk twice a day. So एक दफा इफ्तारी से पहले. So there's like running and high intensity training involved when I go before. And then afterwards, जब इफ्तारी हो जाती है इसके घंटे बाद around 9ish, I go for a stroll again. So
that's nice.
Unprecedented.
And you know when you're fasting and you're working out, you're torching fat, literally. It's like amazing.
Yeah. But then वो पकौड़े पूरा कर देते हैं ना, sadly. आलू के पकौड़े.
मैं नहीं पकौड़े खाती.
हाथी रुकता नहीं खाती. What do you have for इफ्तारी?
Just इफ्तार में. I mean, because before Ramzan started, मैं कुछ दिन के 12 donuts खा रही थी. मैं full depression mode में थी quarantine में ना. I'm not exaggerating. Like 2 दिन में मैंने 12 खत्म किए. मेरी ये हालत थी. I just kept eating. So I gained so much weight. So Ramzan mein I'm going the other extreme. So for iftar, I have like a bowl of watermelon and like a big jug of water. And that's it. And a kajur.
That's it.
It's really filling.
I always wonder. I'm sure it's filling. So, but no fried stuff. Oh my goodness. Salute. I can't do it. I see pakoras and I'm liquefy. I crumble
No, but
inside.
my family is not here, so no one's making pakoras. So it's
Yeah,
good.
that's true. That's true. Isn't it lonely though, akele?
And like
देखो,
flight,
ज़्यादा attention.
no.
Hmm?
I'm just on video calls all day. Like that's all I do.
So you're not that isolated.
Yeah, but like you know what I miss? I miss hugging people. Like I miss human
Yeah.
contact. My dog thinks I'm a psychopath, and I'm just like hugging her all the time. She's like, touch me, somebody touch me.
I know what you mean. I'm missing. I think two things I'm missing a lot. एक तो traveling, and दूसरा having all of my friends under one roof. So that's something that I would really enjoy. ये सब एक साथ हो. And I'm meeting like एक दो लोगों को मैं मिल लेती हूँ because मेरे neighborhood में जो friends रहते हैं करीब रहते हैं. But उसके अलावा like I'm not getting to see a lot of people.
तुम्हारा मेकअप बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है तो मैंने भी ये करना है
ना
मैंने क्या टिंट लगाया you're like fully lipstick and perfect eye makeup you're always perfect dude so मेरा भी है
अच्छा पता नहीं लोग मुझे बोलते हैं बट मुझे कभी नहीं लगता किसी ने मुझे कल मैसेज किया कि मैं अपनी मंगनी पे आपसे तैयार होंगी
वाह मेकअप आर्टिस्ट फायजा सलीम
Hardly,
मेरे हल्के भी नहीं छुपे हुए I look so bad I'm not really wearing anything मैंने eye cream लगाई हुई है
But yeah, you have really great skin, माशाल्लाह. अभी फिल्टर से बिल्कुल ही कुछ भी पता नहीं चल रहा. But you have such great skin, माशाल्लाह. कैसे नहीं फील होता कि मेकअप नहीं लगा. This is, I think, the original was better.
Sorry, I love doing this. I love filters.
Filters, I also like filters. But filters affect the video quality and the sound quality also. So I used to put on a filter पहले. इतना मैं तैयार नहीं होती थी फिल्टर लगाती थी बट वो फिल्टर से थोड़ी खराब हो जाती क्वालिटी वाओ
Okay, I'll stop. I'm so sorry.
It's fine.
I haven't had human contact in a while. I'm sorry.
I was actually wondering what it would be.
One second.
Yeah.
Sorry, मुझे लगा मेरे दांतों में निकाला है, but नहीं है.
नहीं. नजर उसमें कैमरा नहीं पता चल रहा था. I couldn't tell at all. नहीं
है ना?
नहीं बिल्कुल सही. उष्णा, so we'll move on to audience questions. लोग कहेंगे इसलिए बुलाया है. पहले वहां पे कॉल कराया अब यहाँ पे क्लोजअप सबसे. अच्छा, so we'll move on to our first part of the show, which is audience questions. I asked the audience to ask me questions. Tell me questions to ask you. So
these are questions that the audience have asked you to ask me.
Yeah, okay. That they've insisted. And these are questions that have been most commonly asked. So what are questions there?
I'm scared, yeah.
You can say skip. No comments.
Okay.
Itne weird hai bhi nahi वैसे. So okay, let's move on to the first part of our show, which is called audience questions. The first question is tips on how to get into the acting industry. The Barbie has asked this question, but this is a question that a lot of people have asked. So मैंने लिख लिया. So give us
yeah. So for me, if you want to do what I did, be born in Ismat Tahira's house and be your Ghazal sister, and that really helps. But like because I really want to help people with their struggle. But I haven't done it in that way. And I'm so blessed, mashallah. And there's so many people that start from scratch. And, those are the people that really make it big because they've put in the legwork. But alhamdulillah, and I'm very grateful for this, that I didn't really have to go through agents and castings and all. I just started because I grew up with like so many of the producers and directors. So it was nepotism until like pehle do drama were nepotism. And then I had to like really prove myself and become a decent actor to be cast again. But from what I've seen, I think you have to get in touch with like talent agencies, make a portfolio. Sabse pehle to, because I tell this to girls, they need to make like a portfolio with their pictures, maybe make some audition tapes, and just try to get in touch with like directors and stuff, maybe online. Or maybe I don't know. I haven't done it, so I don't know, Faiza. How does?
Well, I've seen Alif Allah or Insan, so I would have believed the nepotism bit had I not seen your dramas. And देखो nepotism का maybe like if you're lucky and you're born into a family that's already in the industry, then you can sort of like penetrate for the first time or maybe the second
Yeah,
time, but you
like,
can't
but you
sustain.
can't sustain because there's so
Yeah.
many people who are the children of like much bigger stars than my
Yeah.
mother and my sister, but they
Yeah.
don't really. You really, it's all on you after. But the breaking in
Of
bit,
course.
I got a lot of help. So I don't know.
But okay,
Sorry,
so the second thing is you say कि portfolio बनाए, and the third
portfolio.
thing,
Because मैं जब भी मुझे कोई कहता है मुझे chance दिलवा दें, I speak to like my director friends or whoever, and they're like portfolio भेजो. So and the
yeah,
people you want to get in touch with are, unless you're lucky enough to know like the CEOs, get in touch with like head of production. So आप जब भी कोई drama देखते हैं, उस ड्रामे का प्रोडक्शन हाउस देखें, लाइक बिग बैंग है, सेवन स्काई है, एमडी है, उस प्रोडक्शन हाउस का हेड ऑफ प्रोडक्शंस देखें. वो जो है वो अ लॉट ऑफ कास्टिंग करते हैं, तो उनका ईमेल कहीं से ढूंढे, उनका नंबर कहीं से ढूंढे, उनका ऑफिस का एड्रेस कहीं से ढूंढ लें और उनके ऑफिस में अपना भेज दें पोर्टफोलियो. यू नो, लाइक मेहनत करें जैसे लोग करते हैं, पीछे पड़ जाए.
पीछे पड़ जाए.
आई गेस दैट्स व्हाट दे डू.
Yeah, that's what happens. वैसे इतने बड़े बड़े स्टार्स ने ऐसे ही किया है कि वो बेंच पे
Yeah.
बाहर बॉलीवुड के बैठे हुए स्टूडियोज के. Yeah, I guess you're right about that. So you basically, and तीसरी चीज to sustain maybe.
टू सस्टेन क्या करना है?
हाँ.
मेहनत करें, एक्टिंग सीखें अपने काम के साथ, ईमानदारी
Acting
करें.
सीखे. How important do you think acting सीखना है?
I think like you can study it in a school or you can just study your craft. Like I love acting, right? I love film. I love watching film. मैं हमेशा जब भी कोई performance देखती हूँ बचपन से, तो मैं note करती हूँ कि ये कैसे कर रहे हैं, क्या नहीं कर रहे. So you have to love what you do, and if you're observing it being done, फिर आप सीख रहे हैं. और अपने seniors से आप बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं. Like I'm so lucky कि I've been able to work with such amazing actors that they
Yeah.
teach you so much, and learn from your. Try to work with good directors because they
Yeah.
really teach you a lot. Like Essen
But you're
Tale.
saying formal education is not important. Sorry, Katrata. You're saying formal education is not that important.
You know, I want to say it's not important, but when I look at my favorite celebrities, they've gotten a formal education. Like Meryl Streep went to Yale Drama School. Al Pacino
Yeah.
went to the that New York one, Lee Strasberg School, Institute of Acting, and then like I don't know where Daniel Day-Lewis went, but there's so many amazing
They all
actors
got
that did
formal
study it
education,
formally. That doesn't do anything is just like not fair.
No, obviously it does wonders, but the thing is you can't make it to an acting school.
Then
Because Pakistan,
there's so many who haven't gone to it. So
yeah, and they've been successful also. So, कोई set formula
Yeah.
नहीं है. Acha, so your second question is by Fariha Saeed, and she's asked, who's your celebrity crush in Pakistan?
you got it. Who's my celebrity crush?
Or who was your celebrity crush?
Yeah, you know, when I was really young, I used to have the biggest crush on Imran Khan. Prime Minister
Yeah.
Imran Khan. Like, it was so good cricketer Imran Khan. But this is when I was like young and he was also young and he was like not like that. But I think everybody's had a crush on him.
Yeah, everybody.
The thing is, I know everyone. So it's really hard
so you
because
can't really say
even if
that
you
वो
find them
crush है.
cute, you know exactly who they are and you're just like,
Like,
So I mean, no.
was
I
going
can't
to be in the
think-
news once again.
I can't think of anyone that I actually have a crush on. I really can't. Like, I really don't have a crush on anyone here.
Yeah, crush. I think crush is when you not. That's
I would
why
tell you, but I don't.
Huh?
If I had a crush on someone, I would tell you, but I really don't. Like, I really don't.
Yeah, and you can't really say crush anymore because you know these people. I think that's why when I asked this question, I phrased it in a different way. Someone you had a crush on before you joined the industry, and now you're friends with them. You know.
Mm.
But you don't have to.
I live
It's okay.
in
It's
Canada.
fine. Huh?
I live in Canada. So I didn't watch Pakistani dramas.
So it's not.
So I didn't. I mean, I had a little crush on Fawad because I saw Humsafar like 10 years ago. I was like, he's
Yeah.
cute, but it was like a crush. It wasn't like, oh my god, I love him. I was like, he's cute.
Yeah.
But-
Okay. So Imran Khan and Fawad Khan are into the Khans.
Oh, I guess. But it wasn't a crush. I just thought he was. I was more proud कि पाकिस्तानी बंदे इतने hot हो सकते हैं. चलो good.
हाँ ये भी है. But generally
It was
it's good for our reputation. ठीक है. अच्छा ये question बड़ा लोगों ने पूछा है Ushna, this is a very commonly asked question. It's, आप जीतो पाकिस्तान में आओगी? Like, would you want to come
Yeah, I'm
to the
gonna
show?
be coming. I was supposed to come, I think, today or something, but something
Yeah.
misaligned. But Ramzan बहुत लंबा है अभी, इंशाल्लाह आऊंगी.
हाँ, अभी तो बहुत. But the audience should wait for you, right? Because ये बहुत सारे लोगों ने पूछा है. They want you to be
है?
on the show. They
I'll
want you
come,
to
I'll
be on
come.
the show, I guess. Okay.
Aw.
So that was Anamtasha and Ushna Tastic. That's one of your fan pages. They've asked
Yeah,
about
yeah.
your, like they're hardcore. There's Ushna's Wonder and there's Ushna Tastic. They've asked a lot of
Yeah,
questions.
yeah.
But the common वाले हैं वो ये है कि tell us about your upcoming film. I didn't know you were doing a film.
How do they know this? No, it's I can't say much because we haven't like I haven't even like signed a contract yet, so I don't want to
That's
say
what I'm
much.
thinking, huh?
But yeah, but, like, I am in talks for one. We were supposed to start shooting right now, and then this happened. But it's gonna be good. It's gonna be very like arty. It's not at all like a big commercial film, but it's really well written, and it has a hero from Islamabad. That's all I'm gonna say.
Okay, cool. Acha. So Ushna's Wonder has asked, and this is again a very, very commonly asked question. I don't know why, not just in your case, but in everybody's case, especially जब कोई औरतें खवातीन
शादी का होगा.
आती हैं, हाँ, कि when will you get married?
I mean, if I knew, like, I wish I knew. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know when I get married. I really don't.
It's not like a big no-no. It's not like,
I don't know.
You don't know. It's not a big no-no.
I don't know.
Chahiye. Okay. The Hassan Alert has asked, and I just put this.
What, husband alert?
Hassan Alert.
Okay.
So I don't know ये किस तरह से क्या है इसकी story पीछे. But and this is a question again that has been asked multiple times. It's why is she so beautiful?
I don't know. That's so sweet. I'm not, but ये बड़ा sweet compliment है. I'm blushing.
अरे बहुत सारे लोगों ने पूछा ask her why is she so pretty. I'm like, okay, I will. Good genes.
Lots of plastic surgery and blood of unicorns, and you know, like, yeah. That's what
the secret's out. Acha, okay.
It's filters. I'll tell you why I'm beautiful. Look. Because of Instagram. Look at this, Faiza. I've got filters. Why are you stuck? Look, now I'm beautiful. Filters.
Am I back? Can you see me?
You're back.
Yeah. Okay. So the next and the last question is from Abid Khan, and he's asked, did you get any offers from Bollywood? And will you ever accept those offers? Any of those offers?
I did get offers from Bollywood. Yeah. Nothing like major. It wasn't anything that was like Karan Johar never called. So, or like Shah Rukh Khan never called. So it wasn't like the kind of offers like Myra Fawad got, obviously. But I did, around the time where I was sort of in talks, like the halat got really, really bad. But it wasn't something crazy that they were giving me anyway. And right now, like, you know, we all grew up to Bollywood. It's almost like it's our own industry. We saw more, I think I saw more Bollywood films than I did like Pakistani. Us zamane mein hamari film industry ko itni upar nahi thi. And they're obviously like amazing in that sense. So it's not like I have anything against Bollywood. I love Bollywood. But right now, on principle, I think our issue with Kashmir is bigger than anything. And I think our responsibility to stand with those people is bigger than being like a star. So it's not like I'm dying to go there. Like,
and now the industry is going going, I think, in a direction that we had always sort of dreamed of. कि एक दिन ऐसा आएगा, and I think वो आ रहा है दिन कि हमारी
we have a long
आएगा. And Areem said something really nice, and she said कि I would want to not go to Bollywood. I would want for them to come to us now, you know.
Who said this?
It's not in person. Harim said this, and I thought it was really nice.
Harim said this?
I want them.
There you go. You know, like, I would love to produce and direct a film and have like Amir Khan fly down and do it. How amazing!
And it's not impossible.
May he rest in peace.
I hope so. Okay, Ushna. So should we move on to the next segment? Should we move on to the next segment? ठीक है.
Yeah.
अच्छा. Before that, should we attempt to do it on my Instagram या नहीं?
कर भी सकते हैं.
है ना, ट्राई करते हैं ताकि ऑडियंस जो है वो शिफ्ट, बिकॉज आई टोल्ड माय ऑडियंस दैट विल बी लाइव एट 11 एंड देन गायब है हम लोग फॉर दैट ऑडियंस. सो वी
नहीं,
ट्राई
but
वन मोर
it's
टाइम.
showing that you're live now on your Insta. It's showing that you're live.
But then with you, they आ सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं. I don't know how this works. They know that I'm
Ah,
live with you.
yeah. Like if people go on your page, it says Faiza's live with Ushna Shah, and if they press it, this opens.
Okay, सही है. Then बस इसको यही रखते हैं.
Oh, you're so
बहुत अच्छा.
cute. No, your people are watching Faiza.
I thought people would think कि गायब हो गई है.
नहीं, you're live with Ushna Shah right now.
Because I've seen what's it called? I've seen tabs, but उसमें मुझे नजर नहीं आता कि दूसरा बंदा कौन है. So I never I don't know, always click. So मुझे I don't know how that works.
No, let me turn on commenting. Maybe they can tell us.
Yeah.
Oh man. Okay. Oh, all right. Let's move on to that.
We'll take the risk then. It's fine.
It's up to you. We can go there, but I hope it works.
नहीं, I don't want to disrupt this. फिर से start करें. I think.
What am I drinking? Okay, someone asked what I'm drinking. I'm almost finished. This is haldi water with ginger and lemon डालना मैं भूल गई, but usually I add lemon. So मैं हल्दी की root और ginger बहुत ज़्यादा देर पकाती हूँ, and like जो मेरे घर काम करती है वो पकाती है. I'm so lazy. And then I yummy drink, and then you add some lime in it and maybe like some pepper or salt. Yeah.
And then what does it do?
Dude, haldi is like amazing for your immune system. It's an anti-inflammatory, so it helps with all sorts of ailments. It helps with hormonal imbalances, joint aches. It's like an antiseptic in a way also, like in the sense it heals wounds. So it's really good for you. And then ginger is what it is. So it's just really, really good for you. It's like a great detox, great for your immune system. So a jug of this a day.
Skin also.
Yeah,
jug?
really good.
A jug?
Small jug.
Chalo, not bad. Chalo. I'm
gonna
ask you.
After iftar aajkal. Like crazy.
So yeah, I'm gonna ask you for the recipe because these days I'm super healthy. So my har cheez try kar rahi hu. I'm making face masks and stuff. Chalo, let's move on to the next segment. It's called Two Truths and a Lie, and we need our audience to be active for this one. And also, please tell us if you can see this, if you came to see the session on my page. Can you see it now? या फिर बस मेरे पेज पे नहीं आ रहा बस.
They're saying they're from your page. लोगों ने लिखा है.
देखा है? Okay, ठीक है, चलो sort out हो गया. All right, Ushna, 2 truths and a lie.
Yeah. I actually wrote a few of these down. I told my sister to help me with these. I was like, can you please make them? I have to like jump in the shower. So she actually made a few. She knows me so well.
Oh my goodness. You were really upset about this?
Yeah.
इतना homework मिल गया.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, go. Give us 3 statements. एक झूठ होगा, आप लोगों ने बताना होगा कि झूठ कौन सा है. For this, Ushna, we'll have to have the comments on if that's okay, because we need to figure out, we need our audience to figure out कि झूठ कौन सा है.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
So, I work out twice a day. I paint in my free time. I love dogs.
You love dogs?
So what's the lie?
Okay. So work out twice a day.
Hina ne likha
paint in
moti. Screw you. I like it. I'm thick and I like it.
I think this was for me, but Hina,
I don't think it was for you. So that was really, even if it is, so what? You're gorgeous, mashallah.
अच्छा भाई चलो okay. Samri is also said, Ushna, you were amazing in Bala. Bala के by the way बहुत बड़ी fan following है. Furqan
Hussain said, workout. Who are these people, man? Who are these sad ass disgusting people here and there? Okay, drink recipe मांग रहे हैं.
All the comments जो drink recipe.
Okay, somebody said you don't paint. I don't paint. Everybody knows the lie. I don't paint.
You don't paint. Yeah, that's true. That's what I was thinking. I know that you love dogs. I know that, okay. The first one I wasn't sure of, but then you can do it. Huh?
Can you paint?
No, hardly. Matlab, just like I can.
You know, almost everyone can paint now for some reason.
Yeah,
like everyone paints like things. Want to see you in Jeeto Pakistan? Who are these people? Oh, okay, sorry.
You want to see in Jeeto Pakistan because बहुत सारे लोगों ने पूछा था. Okay, so that was the lie that you don't paint. So, acha, let me answer. Like I'll take help from the audience, but I have to give you the final answer. So don't let me know unless like I answer myself. Sahi hai, taki.
Oh, you have to answer.
I have to answer, but the audience also has to answer, and then I have to say, acha, I picked this one.
Okay. Number 2.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. I love gardening.
Yeah.
I'm very lazy when I'm not working.
Okay.
I love old songs.
Okay, so I'm confused between old songs and gardening. इन दोनों में से कौन सा झूठ है? I know you're lazy when you're not working.
हमें लियाकत नाला है. Sorry, these comments are so funny. I don't know.
Have you gone live before on your own?
A couple of times, but I usually turn this. I don't pay attention to the comments because they're just so distracting. I'm sorry. Okay.
Yeah, they are. We'll shut them off abhi 2 minutes baad. Acha, so I think the lie is, well, guys, what do you think the lie is? Ki gardening or old songs, or that she is lazy when she's not working? Gardening, people are saying gardening, I guess. Then somebody said you don't love gardening. A lot of people saying gardening. Is gardening a lie?
How do people know me so well? Am I like that famous now that people just know me? When did that happen? Shit.
You're also not that vocal on Instagram. है ना? फिर भी लोगों को पता.
I am these days because I have nothing better to do, but I didn't realize like people would know that much. Like I even put like a post up of me watering the plants, so I thought people would think I like gardening. She's so lazy she won't garden. That's so true.
Okay, so you don't love gardening. Third. How many have you made, by the way? How many scenarios do you have?
We have 2 more, na?
Okay, ठीक है.
Okay. Can I put a filter on? Like a funny one?
Yeah.
These are so cool. Faiza, you put one on too.
I think it might affect. Oh, इतना कितना गंदा है.
This is nice. Dude, your eyes are so pretty. Mashallah.
Thank you. Normally, I'm very awkward with compliments. अभी मैं लंबी करती but मैंने कहा नहीं, thank you should be enough.
नहीं, you should say thank you. Take them. And you know, lipstick looks really good on you. You're always wearing bright lipstick. If I wear bright lipstick, I look very like pakka and just gross.
I also look pakka, but that's fine. You wear bright lipsticks also.
Like bright lipstick looks really good on you, mashallah. Like really good.
But I feel like softer, lesser makeup looks nicer on you. Like what you did for 2 minutes also.
On me,
person, है ना? Like it looks
softer looks better. Huh? Heavy makeup just doesn't suit me. I don't know why. I wish it did, like, but it doesn't.
It's better to not have that much makeup.
मतलब some people look good in both. You look good in both.
Yeah.
I would like it कि कभी मेरा दिल भी चाहे कि मैं कोई अच्छी lipstick लगाऊं तो मैं चुड़ैल ना लगूं, you know?
Come on, red lipstick में you look great. पूरा अलग इंसान में you had nice lip colors on. You look great.
I was playing a prostitute. Do you remember? Like, right?
Well, still,
yes, I look
like a gorgeous one.
As long as I did my work. Okay, the next one.
I love that drama, by the way.
Okay, these are all made by my sister, by the way, and she's so right about all of these. Maha, she's like my best friend. She lives in England, and she's so dead on. Okay, so the next one is I have an OCD of keeping myself clean and moisturized every few minutes. I love reading, and I'm an amazing cook.
The third one is a lie. I don't think you're an amazing cook. I know that you love reading. You're very well read. So that's true.
I haven't read in a long time.
But I know that you like reading. The first one
I do like it.
क्या था?
I have OCD and I'm keeping myself clean and moisturized.
OCD also I feel you have, but I don't know if you keep yourself moisturized all the time.
Constantly. इस वक्त मेरे लाउंज की जो टेबल है इस पे भी एक हैंड क्रीम पड़ी हुई है और एक सैनिटाइजर भी पड़ा हुआ है और मेरे बैग में हैंड क्रीम होती है और मैं हर 10 मिनट बाद हैंड क्रीम लगा रही होती हूँ and everybody gets annoyed. So
I know, I see that you have OCD, but so okay, so that is
it's a little OCD. Like at my hand, it's like constant. Like if you see it,
it's always in your hands.
Yeah, so I guess what I do is cook. Like I just learned to cook. I just learned to make like 3 things, and वो भी मैं like recipe देख के phone पे help ले लेके बना रही हूँ. वो अच्छी बनी है. Yeah, I made this grill snapper with pasta, which my friend Chef Basim Akhund taught me. Then he taught me over the phone. Then he taught me chicken kadai. And then I sort of learned by myself from different recipes how to make really good biryani. And like really good biryani. Like, so I'm gonna send if I make it, I'll send it to you.
Send it to me. Do send
But
it.
I
अब तो you've said it
don't
online.
थोड़ी दूर रहती हूँ.
हाँ, I know. अब दूर हो गई हो तो मैं तुम्हारे घर से
थोड़ी सी
walk
दूर, इतनी दूर नहीं. Still like 5 minutes
बहुत
away.
ज्यादा नहीं.
So I'll.
ठीक है.
Okay.
I'll come pick it up. अब तो मैं walk करके आ जाऊंगी.
Okay. हाँ. We can. Why don't we go for a walk together?
सही है. What time?
और हमें कोई गालियाँ दे रहे हैं हम दोनों को. पता है कौन है हम तुम्हारी? Sorry. I'm gonna not do this. I'm gonna not.
Ignore.
Okay.
Then. Okay.
अच्छा, ये समझ लो दिया. This was so dumb. Okay, this I have to make up. Okay, well, let me think of this. Okay. Okay.
Take your time.
I love traveling.
Yeah. You love traveling?
Traveling.
Yeah.
I have eaten a spider. I love to bake.
Love traveling, love baking, and you've eaten a spider. Eaten why? That is proof that why.
What's the lie?
Okay, let's ask the audience also because this is a tough one. Guys, which of these three things is a lie? कौन सा झूठ है इन तीनों चीजों में से? 1, Ushna loves to travel. 2, she's eaten a spider. And 3,
कि वो bake अच्छा करती है.
हाँ, and she bakes well.
झूठ क्या है?
तो निकल गया.
Baking is different. Baking is preparing dessert. Yeah, it's like a science. It's very different than cooking, by the way.
It's very different. That's true. It's
baking is hard,
actually. Yeah, baking is actually tougher, I feel. So people are saying the baking bit is a lie. Baking is a lie. इनमें से तीनों चीजों से झूठ जो है, you saying वो baking है. Travel. Some people are saying travel. Hayat Khan says it's travel. Raza says it's baking. Ramsha says it's traveling. Furqan says it's number 2. Okay, traveling. Why are people saying traveling is a lie?
Why would it be? If anybody knows me, they should know the answer to this.
Of course you love traveling. No? Yeah, so you love traveling. Yeah, so a lot of people are saying traveling is a lie, which I don't agree with.
Why would it be a lie? Has anyone seen like किसी ने मेरा कभी Instagram देखा?
No.
Paiza ही देखा तो Paiza follow नहीं करती.
नहीं मैं follow करती हूँ.
करती हो? I'm following you from a secret account.
Really? I didn't know that. अब वो secret रहा नहीं.
हाँ, I'll send it to you. You can follow me on it.
अच्छा, सही है. Okay. ठीक है. So a lot of people are saying traveling, but I know that you love traveling, so I will go with eating a spider. I hope you haven't eaten a spider. I think eating a spider is a lie.
I've eaten a spider.
What?
I don't love to bake.
I love to bake. I
can bake. I did bake once upon a time. I love it. I don't really give a shit about it. I ate a spider on purpose. I ate a toasted spider in Bangkok with Ahmed Ali Ahdewafa.
What? A toasted spider?
I was for like a commercial. He was there for another commercial. And like we're friends, we hung out and we went to Khao Road and I ate like roasted keede makode.
Yes.
They were
gross, so there was like more than spiders.
I spat them out mostly because it was just like eating charred plastic. Like there was no meat to it. This is nasty.
Cockroach nasty. Huh?
Cockroach नहीं खाया, but I think ये scorpio था, ये spider भी था, scorpion भी था, but मैंने खाई थी 2-3 चीजें ऐसी.
मुझे याद आ.
There were a bunch of us there. It was really gross. It was really gross.
Really?
I spat it out too. Like I didn't really like.
So did anyone enjoy it?
No, none of them ate it. Like I ate it.
No. चलो हिम्मत है.
Okay. Because I knew I was gonna play this game with you years later, and I was like, I need to have a cool fact nobody believes.
I didn't believe it for a second. I thought maybe like, chalo, चक्का होगा, but eaten a toasted spider is
मतलब like
level.
चक्का ही था. It wasn't eaten with same shit, right?
चलो.
They've eaten
Okay.
alligator meat. You know, I've heard alligator meat. Yeah, she does talk about animal cruelty. Like do you like spiders? You dumb. Sorry, my people are so dumb. So alligator meat, people say tastes like chicken and has the aftertaste of fish.
What? I don't know. I wouldn't want to go there. मुझे तो देख के भी डर लगता है. So I'm not gonna. मैं तो TV पे देख के डर जाती हूँ. Alligator. I'm nervous like that. I can't even go there. Acha, let's move on to our next segment. It's called 2 Minutes with Faiza Salim. You know how the game works.
Yeah.
You played it.
Why would Faiza live with Muru? She's like married to her husband, and Muru's married to his wife.
Why?
That's the stupidest thing ever. Like, why are you so stupid, you person who asked this? Ushna, change this topic. Okay.
Okay, let's turn off commenting for now because I think.
Yeah, let's turn off. तुम्हारे घर में.
हाँ?
शांति गुस्सा.
So, do trolls really upset you? वैसे, like, do they bother you? Yeah, on a regular day? Yeah, dismiss हो जाता है वो.
Who?
Like you forget it. Trolls, social media trolling, does it bother you?
If they affected me, I would have killed myself by now. They're freaking morons.
But
No. Do sad people who have nothing better to do than troll me and be obsessed with me bother me? No, Faiza, they don't bother me. They make me feel. No.
That's also like true. That's also true, by the way. People actually ask me.
Miserable, right?
Huh?
If they're hating on us, you or me, I mean, out of like 500 people who love you, you're going to get like 30 or 50 who hate you or who talk crap, right? And if you respond to them, they suddenly love you. It's like, oh my God, thank you, we love you. I can't believe you replied. And you're like, okay. Yeah. So they want attention or they're trolling you and they're so miserable with their own lives. Meanwhile, we're like making money, chilling, living our best lives, creating art, looking good. So, I mean, who's the winner here?
Yeah, that's what I also feel. Okay, most of the people who write stuff like that, they don't have much going on in their lives. So yeah, that's true. Okay, so 2 minutes. We need you to switch on your timer. You have a timer on your phone?
I have another phone and it has a timer.
Good. Okay.
Where to like start your own timer? I love it. It's your show. It's on my Instagram and I'm timing myself. This is freaking nice, Faiza. Professional.
No budget. No budget. I have nothing. I just have this phone and this wall.
चलो करो.
होमवर्क भी दे दिया मैंने.
लगाओ. अच्छा मैं यहाँ लगा रही हूँ, ठीक है?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Canada or Pakistan and why?
Canada. Canada, why? Liberal, freedom.
Okay. 3 things you look for in a life partner.
Honesty, loyalty, intelligence.
1 thing you would never do on screen.
Sex scene.
Okay. Economy class with a friend or business class alone?
Business class alone, screw my friends.
I knew you'd say that. What's the one thing you can't tolerate in a colleague or a co-star?
One thing I can't?
Tolerate. You don't like.
If they smell.
Yeah. Okay. I'm giving you $1 million right now. What's the first thing you do with them?
Spay and neuter every single dog that I can find in Pakistan and try to move them all to shelters and raise awareness in people to not be cruel to animals. Okay. And like go on a vacation if I have money left.
Okay, cool. What's the first place you visit locally after the lockdown ends?
Lahore. I want to go home.
Lahore, okay. What's the first place you will visit internationally when the lockdown ends?
Probably the UK to visit my sisters and all. And then maybe do like a Euro trip. Depends on when it ends. Weather kya aata.
Okay. A project you wish you hadn't turned down?
Maybe Aisi Hai Tanhai. But Sonia did such a good job. Main utni achhi acting nahi kar pati. So I think even the producers and directors are happy that she did it and not me. Okay.
A project you wish you had turned down? I don't think you have any.
Pass.
Okay, most interesting fan moment.
Some dude sent me a picture of himself. No, okay. I ran into this fan once and she was like unable to, like she was screaming in my face and I didn't, she was like a kid and she was like, oh my God, was just like, what did I do to you? And I thought maybe मैंने उसको कुछ कह दिया, but she was just excited and I was shocked because I was like, for me? Cool. It was like 2 minutes, 8 seconds. Okay.
हाँ, हो गया?
Yeah.
2 seconds. Most embarrassing moment. हो गया?
हाँ.
Okay, cool. Chalo, good. So you've actually answered 10 questions.
You asked slow question.
या बिकॉज पता है लोगों को आवाज नहीं आ रही होती है कि मैं जल्दी जल्दी तो पूछती हूँ ना, लोगों को समझ नहीं आता लाइव वीडियो पे वैसे ही इट्स नॉट लाइक रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस, तो इसलिए बट चलो कुछ मिलने तो वाला नहीं, उसका क्या फर्क पड़ता है बट स्टिल इट्स अ गुड स्कोर यू नो मैंने बहुत दफा बेवकूफ बनाया हुआ है कि उसने शो पे
हाँ बाय द वे you will get nothing. Thanks, Faiza. Great.
Acha, I will give you a chance to win something. You can maybe win this. Ali Rahman.
What is this?
Won this. It's a really cute box.
What's in it?
Useless. So you have to guess what's in it.
What's that box? I'll tell you what. I need a box to put my face napkins in my bathroom so that I can wipe my face with them, because they're these special cotton ones that are like good for your skin. And I have no place to put them, and that's a really funky box. I want that box.
I'll send you another one.
And I will take that box, Faiza. Will you test me? Bring it, girl.
Ali already thinks it's on its way to him, by the way, because he won the. Ali Rahman, he already thinks that it's on its way to him.
Ali Rahman and I are driving to Lahore together with our masks and gloves, and our test will be done. Yeah, 10 hours. Okay. Imagine, we're planning it, but he just bought a new car, and he's like, your dogs can't come. And I'm like,
then वो कहाँ रहेंगे?
I don't know. Then I might not go. I'll just call him and find out. But that he doesn't even need it. What's he gonna do with it? I need it.
Okay, I'll give you another box. I love this box. It goes with like a mirror in my house as well.
Oh, your background is so funky. Also, kind of matches the box.
Yeah, so I have like a
talking sticks, right? Putting your box on the line, not knowing that we'll actually want it.
Yeah, I shouldn't. Like
इतने हम इस वक्त कंजूस हुए में और greedy हुए. Actors bouquet.
जिसमें बोतल के वो रखे हुए कैप्स डले हुए.
ये क्या है?
नजर नहीं आ बॉटल कैप्स. So
I want that box.
Yeah, it's really cool. It's got I have a matching mirror also, by the way. It looks the same. उसी theme का है. I got it from 2 separate countries.
Huh?
Yeah. I got it from 2 separate countries. So वो mirror एक और country का है और ये मुझे एक और country. Imagine.
ये कहाँ से लिया?
Joy. I got this from Beirut. No, I got the mirror from Beirut. And I got this from an African, वो जो उधर है ना Global Village in Dubai, वहाँ पे African stall जो है.
You know, I've never been to Global Village, but I've heard a lot about it.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
I know, I've heard good things.
African one. ठीक है, सही है. Okay, Ushna, are we ready for the next one?
Yeah, sure.
This is you were asking ना इसके अंदर क्या है? So you have to guess, and you can only ask me 20 questions. Try to.
Oh, it's that thing. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Yeah, मेरा hand sanitizer card. My hands are sticky. Okay. Is it a makeup product?
No.
That's one. Okay. Is it something? Okay, no, hold on. These have to be good questions.
You can turn on commenting for this, by the way.
Okay, yeah. Show me the box again. Can I see it?
Guys, we have moved on to 20.
It's see-through though, this box.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm wrapped.
Is it something that has a purpose that you can use for something?
Yes.
That means it's not a decoration piece.
I mean, you can use decoration pieces for decoration.
Is it something that you hold close to you and get affection from?
No. No.
Is it something that is stuffed?
No. You have 15 more questions.
No, I have 16 more questions. I'm also counting.
अच्छा चलो 16 कर लेंगे.
Can I see the box again?
Is it a see-through? ना तो मैं ज़्यादा दिखाना भी जा रही होती हूँ.
Hi. It looks like a little rat. Like it looks like a stuffed rat inside.
Is that a question?
Is it soft?
Not really.
Okay. Okay.
5 over.
It's not soft. It's something you can have a use for. Is it a decoration piece?
No.
Okay, it's not a decoration piece. You can have a use for it. It's not soft. And it's not a makeup product. Okay. God damn it. Is it an office product?
No.
Office supply product like that you can use?
No.
It's in a staple ka tha. Okay. So we have this many gone. 7 gone. Dude, this is annoying. Okay, hold on. Is it a technological device?
No.
Is it an electronic shout out for your crew, sorry, that was my university. Is it a if you can hold a fork, you can go to York? Is it is it okay? It's not a technological device. Is it an electronic device? Does it require batteries or something? Okay. Is it a self-pleasure device? What's happening?
Back. Okay.
Okay, now you're back.
You're back. Yeah. So you have 10 more questions left. Last 10. Guys, help out Ushna. No, it's
okay,
I'm
thinking. So this is a bit cold breeze. Well, okay.
Are you WhatsApping me for the answer? Because
no, I know. No, my friends are at my other friend's house and they're like, come over. Okay, let's see. Obviously, I won't because quarantine. Duh. So, is it something you eat?
Yes.
Okay, someone said fruit. Is it a banana?
No.
Is it like a chocolate or something?
No.
Is it a fruit?
No.
Is it a vegetable?
Yes. You have only 5 more questions left.
It's a vegetable that you eat. Show me one more time. Show me now. Yeah. Is it like a karela?
No. You have 4 more questions left. But
I don't know. It's like not good for my anxiety.
No, but like, you're very close.
A carrot?
No. 3.
Someone
I'll give you a
carrot.
hint. It's very someone said carrot hate on them. No, so it's a very commonly used ingredient of sorts for khana, desi khanas.
Tomato.
No.
Onion.
Yes.
Onion.
Yes. Cucumber is bola. Yes, it's an onion. I was thinking ki kya
you put a freaking onion in a book.
anything for my social media. ठीक है चलो. So that's good. We'll do our last segment. It's called First Thing, and then we can.
It's called what?
Right? It's called First Thing. So first thing that comes to your mind when I say X, Y, Z/Z, whatever you like to say. ठीक है. पहली चीज जो दिमाग में आती है, could be like one line, a word, or whatever. तो बोल देना बस जो भी. ठीक है. Okay. First thing. We started with our segment First Things, or you can turn off the comments if you like. Somebody said, "What the hell?" Unmute pressing. You know, it'll be better. Okay, cool. Ushna, showbiz.
What?
Showbiz.
Scandals.
Pakistani heroine.
Afghanistan. Get it? Pakistani heroine. Afghanistan.
Okay, Pakistani hero.
Sean.
Okay. Tinder.
Hookups.
Humayun Saeed.
Scandals. Again.
Myra Khan.
Superstar.
Bilal Abbas Khan.
Bala.
Social media.
Addictive.
Print media.
Huh?
Print
Print
media.
media? Irrelevant.
Netflix.
And chill.
Monogamy.
A lie.
Celebrity.
Sorry, I'm not married.
Huh? What do you say?
Okay. I said, sorry, I know you're married, but, monogamy.
Thanks, yeah. Thanks, na.
No, it's a truth in your case, but mine, not so much.
I mean, but generally monogamy, क्या opinion है? Like, do you think monogamy?
I think it's great if you can go
Yeah.
through with it, but it's hard to find people who do, but I hope I do.
Yeah, it's very rare, especially now, by the way.
Especially now, yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit upsetting. Okay, celebrity.
Mahira?
Beauty standards.
Changing now.
Karachi.
Home.
Lahore.
Hometown.
Okay, done. Very
Yay!
nice. By the way, I had a great time.
I had such a great time, man. This was so much fun. Yeah, let's do this.
Inshallah. Actually, we should do this on Facebook next. I'll tell you, I'll give you details कि क्या होगा.
Facebook पे live आते हैं.
एक है, मैं बताती हूँ, पूरी details बताती हूँ. I'm gonna take these sessions to Facebook soon, so I'll tell you. अभी बताती हूँ, message करती हूँ.
Okay. Do you want me to save this to my story?
Yes. So save it to your stories. I'm gonna go on my stories and tell people to come here and watch the live session because.
Okay. And then do you want it? Should I save it to my phone? I don't know how to do that.
Can you?
I don't know how.
Pakistan में option नहीं है to save it to on your phone. I mean, if you have it, I don't think you have it. अगर आएगा तो when this video ends, so you'll get that option. But I don't think you will. You'll get the option of sharing it to your stories, which you should take up.
Okay, I'll do that.
Post it. ठीक है. All right, so much. Thank you so much.
You look amazing. That's such a great.
So do you.
Bye.
Okay, bye.